Many Americans are calling for a December stimulus payment after some families are sent a surprise $10,000 payment. Families are eligible to claim credits for expenses of up to $8,000 for one child and $16,000 for multiple kids in a surprising new stimulus payment. Specifics that count as qualifying expenses include transportation, housekeepers, babysitters, before and after school programs, as well as day camps and daycare. In addition to that, they can be used to care for dependents with disabilities. In the past, families were able to just claim $6,000 for 2 or more children. It comes after millions of families received a stimulus check worth $300 per kid as November's child tax credit payments are rolled out. How many payments are left this year? There is only one child tax credit payment left this year. The last payment will be sent out on December 15, 2021. The most recent payment was sent out on November 15, 2021. Boost your child tax credit. One way of boosting your payment is to update your income details. On November 1, the IRS rolled out the option for parents to update their income details with its Child Tax Credit Update portal. The deadline to do so for the November 15th payment was on the same day, but you can still do it for the December 15th installment. By doing so, families who are currently receiving monthly payments, which are below the maximum, may get an increase in the final payment. This could happen if you lost your job in 2021 or for another reason are receiving substantially less income this year. However, for families already receiving the maximum payment, a drop in income won't increase the payment amount. Previously, families with mixed migration status were shut out of the program, but undocumented parents with children who are U.S. citizens can now apply for this benefit. While the child tax credit was expanded this year to include families with no income and undocumented parents with children who have Social Security numbers, the IRS said an issue caused families with parents who have an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, to not receive the first July payment. Those families were supposed to get both the July and August payments by now. Some families have not received their child tax credit checks because they lived in the United States for less than half of 2019 or 2020, or their financial situations in those years disqualified them from receiving payments. Families who have new babies or adopted dependents need to update their information in the IRS portal to make sure they receive the credit they are owed. Some might have gotten smaller payments because they were given slightly more than they should have in an earlier payment. In September, there was a glitch that overpaid families $31 per child between 6 and 17 and $37 per child under 6. This affected around 2% of recipients, which is roughly 700,000 families. Some of these cases will now get slightly smaller payments for October, November, and December to adjust for the overpayment, the IRS has said. This will result in about a $10 to $13 reduction per child in the monthly payments for October, November, and December. So, if this affected you, your family got slightly less for this month, and also will for December. Thanks for watching. Leave comments below. Stay tuned for more news and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.